Guys, just look at that. Stunning. This is absolutely stunning. In this tutorial, we're going to be doing something more natural looking, something more soft and subtle. As you can see, it looks more subtle, it looks more natural, it looks more like it's within you. It doesn't look off on your face. It's a beginner friendly tutorial, so please enjoy. For the second tutorial, the tools we are going to be needing is this eyebrow pen that I got off TikTok shop. The link to my TikTok account, I'm going to be putting it in the description of this video if you would like to get yourself one. The eyebrow look we're going for the second round is just a soft and natural like eyebrow, no stress at all. This is something that I love so much, and I would like to put you guys on as well. We're going to be needing the concealer. I'm using e.l.f. Camo concealer in deep chestnut. We are going to be needing our flat brush, blending brush, a gel, either eyebrow gel, so basically any gel that can just hold the brow in place while we draw the brow, but please no oil-based gel. We are going to be needing a loose powder, and then we're going to be needing a spoolie. So to begin with, you're going to brush your eyebrow the way they are growing. Next, you're going to be applying a gel and make sure to press it down for it to become tacky, and then you're going to get your cotton pad and clean off the skin. Next, you're going to get the loose powder and just dust the powder off like this, and then just tap the pencil on top of the brow just like so, just to get rid of any oiliness or anything from the brow, to make it clean. Okay, and you can dust that off. I feel like my brow is not upward as much as I would like to. Now get your pen just like this, and then start mimicking your eyebrow hair. Okay, start mimicking. Be gentle, be light-handed, because this tend to like just go everywhere if you're not careful. So just mimic your brow. Oh my god, guys, don't worry, it's messy. We are going to clean it up properly with concealer. Okay, especially the parts that you don't have hair, just mimic. Okay, mimic your hair, give a hair-like stroke around that side. Don't worry if you make a mess, we are going to clean it up later. Okay, if you watch the part of the tutorial, I like to just ooh, guys, just look at that. Stunning. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, guys, just look at that. No, just look at that. Oh, this is so nice. I'm telling you, this will look so much like a natural brow, and it stays like this all day. It doesn't move, it doesn't budge. Okay, so just give, really honestly, I don't want to apply around this place because already I have hair and I don't want it to be much, to be thickened kind of. Okay, so I'm just gonna like just mimic. Okay, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, just mimic. Like I said, we are going to be cleaning this up. Just be careful too. At any point in time, if you feel like you've over applied, you can use a cotton swab and micellar water to just clean that off quickly. Okay, yeah, so did you see that? And don't forget our reference. Okay, you're just mimicking your eyebrow. Okay, so, and I just kind of create like a tail illusion like around here. So now I'm just gonna kind of grab my spoolie and just the beginning around here, just kind of brush it out like that. It's not necessary though, but you can brush it out if you want. Okay, now guys, tell me you cannot go out like this with this brow. You know that you can go out like this with this brow. If you still want, we can line it. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's define the brow. Okay, so I'm going to grab my concealer and just go. I will always start from the arc part so that I will have control over it, just like that. Then just put the excess onto the eyelid like we did last time. Okay, and connect it like so. Just brush it out, brush it out. Then you can leave it like this. If you would like to line the top, you can go ahead and do that, but for the sake of I just want it to look more natural, I'm not going to line the top of this brow. I will go ahead and do the second part, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm back, guys, and this is what the eyebrow looked like. What do you think about it? Would you like to give this a try? I think it's stunning. If you want something more natural, you might not do as much as this. Just use the pen to fill in the part that doesn't have hair in your brow, because obviously for the sake of tutorial we did go a little bit overboard about on this one, but please feel free to just to be honest, it might be the most easiest on this list. So if you give yourself time and you don't put too much pressure, you're going to achieve something very great and nice. This is part of a series called Beginner Friendly Eyebrow, so please do well to check the rest of the tutorial and like and follow me if you have not, so that you get to see the rest of the tutorial. Don't come late to class, and I'll see you in the next one.